guys, today we're going to be looking at the top editing software that I recommend. So let's get started. I recommend Adobe Spark. That's what I recommend, Adobe Spark. So now I am going to search for the picture of whatever picture I want to choose. Well, there is a downside to this because when Adobe Spark crashes, you have to get Adobe Spark again, and there's many other. You just have to see how it is. Bye, guys.